Right, now we're gonna explain a little bit on the last of this module about the introduction module. It's about a product. The product, we have the product forms and value, standard and specification, and also yes, a little bit of marketing. So this is the common metal product from the metal industries. The first one is ingot. It's like the ingot of gold or ingot of aluminum, and then also bar. A bar is like a big block. That one, and also slab, nodule, a sheet, a strip, of oil or granule. For example, also for aluminum products, there is a alumina, for example, as a powder, a chemical alumina powder, and also it can be alloys, and it can be a casting for aluminum casting. It can be for electricals. It can be as an extrusion, a oil, a forging, impacts, ingot, a billet, molten metal, powder, wires, rod, and bars. So, in this picture, there is a picture of magnesium ingot and also a bar or slab of iron and steel, which is still in the processing. So, it is glowing, yeah, because it's so hot. And also, this is a picture of uh, a copper wires and copper wires for electrical purposes. Okay, this is a typical specification. For example, for pig iron, a pig or foundry grade iron is a principal charged material for the production of gray iron, and this pig iron comes with a certified analysis consistent with the uniform shape and a very good recovery of carbon and silicon. So we can see the specification of this. There is a pig shape and a size and weight, and also because it is still quite crude iron, it will have some elements that still in the iron, for example carbon 3 to 4%, silicon 1.2 to 3%, 1.5 to 3%, manganese, phosphorus, and sulfurs. While the other one is a pig iron for a steel making grade for to make steel, for example, carbon, silicon, manganese, phosphorus, and sulfur. In later, we will learn how why these impurities are to be happen in the metal and uh, how to remove that to make a good quality pure steel, for example. All right, so I think that's all for the module for the introduction. For the reading, if you have time and you really need to know, you can see Kirk Altmer Encyclopedia of Technology or Ullman's Encyclopedia of Industrial Chemistry. You can see a lot of major metals and major elements, and you can learn how is what is the production process to do that, and also you can see US Geological Survey to know the types of minerals, the abundance, and also the usage of those minerals.